This 2022 Tiffin Wayfarer 25RW is a Class C RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 5. The floor plan layout of this Class C features couples coach. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.